This is my market recap of 2/27/2025. Let's go over our buys. Let's go over why we're looking for a long today. Today, I did not have a setup. I did have a setup in a 5 minute time frame, which was the Alice CRT. But if I would have taken that setup, I would have had a loss. Let's go over why we would have had a loss. Let's go over our buys, right? But that trade, realistically, I'm not gonna even take it because this big bearish candle literally invalidates my whole bias, right? If the candle's this big, that means my bias is incorrect, right? This is why you guys gotta know that okay, market just did a big ass move to the downside. It's high likely my bias is wrong, right? So now let's get straight into our bias here. Weekly time frame. We had a weekly fourth week of the month, which was a weekly CRT. Right, we have a weekly CRT. Last month was a retracement. This week we're gonna be expansion. And keep in mind, we do have a big range. So this week was really challenging because why? Simply because this week could have been a retracement or expansion. Because last week that a retracement, this week could be an expansion, right? As well could be a retracement. Why? Because fourth week of the month, right? And the market had a big range on the monthly time frame. So you can see how it's like that, right? Go to the daily time frame here. Daily, we had a daily IRL to ERL. Daily range discount area got tapped, so we're doing range high. With a daily CRT to the upside, right? Got a classic special profile 2, which got invalidated. So right when we went below the classic special profile 2 low, I was like, man, high likely of this going down. High likely of going up, it's gonna be zero chance of it going back up, right? The tariff on EU, European Union did really affect the market. You could see because the big bearish reaction to the downside was all from here, right? You drag it from here, like it did cause a big dump here, 1% loss, right? That's not that much, but yeah. So what else we had with a 4 hour narrative here, 4 hour range low got souped. We're going to range high. But a daily CRT 50% mark right over here. We are looking for a new reversal profile 2, 5 MA commission, and a mid position 1 expansion, right? We had a bullish order flow during that Pacific time. Nothing else, right? We had no daily range. That was it, right? And because all the time from here, all this CRT right over here, 8 a.m. candle, 9 a.m. purged it out. But you can see the 5 minute time frame did. You can see right over here, the 5 minute at the hourly CRT low, there was not a legit low, right? So market came back down, giving us a model one. That was in that the model one. We're not gonna take it. Why? Because there was not a legit low. So market comes back down. Purchase out this other model number one. I mean, purchase out this purchased out this legit low. This legit low right over here confirmed our model number one, right? So this is our model number one. If you would have taken it, you would have faced a loss. Basically, I would not take this trade at all, right? This big reaction to the downside literally tells me that okay, there is something wrong with my bias, right? I have to rethink my bias here, right? And my bias was bullish, right? But it's just that a big candle like this, like that makes my bias. So there's something wrong with it, right? Market wants to give you something else, right? So tomorrow I may have a different bias. Tomorrow I may be bearish instead of bullish here, right? Because market super out of CRT low. I have this as it yet or no? Let's see. Yeah, okay. So market already super the CRT low of the weekly time frame. Let's see what's gonna happen here because I may look for another short. There's other weekly CRT low right over here, right? So that's why it matters for you guys to, you know what I mean, for you guys to start going when should I back off of the chart? In this case, this big reaction to the downside disrespected our IRL, right? On a daily time frame, disrespected our range low, right? This we're no longer in the range because market super out of this range low and went all the way down here. We know that okay, our PDA rate on a daily time frame disrespected our daily CRT guide disrespected our 4 hour range low guide disrespected. This is high. This is high likely telling us okay, I should be back on the chart, and this is how you could know when to back on the chart instead of trying to be in the chart, right? So yeah, thank you for watching. This is my market recap of 2/27/2025, and I see you guys later. Peace out. Join our Discord link description down below.